friends, today I'm going to make a paper boat with this paper, yellow and white. First, make this semicircle and put a rectangle in the top and cut it slowly because you might cut your hand. Almost done cutting now. Almost finished. And then you have the boat shape now. Oh, I got the boat shape more. And cut this. Make this all. And white paper. And color it with your favorite color. And cut this out. And cut the other one out. Cut everything out. And you have to stick it on here. Cut this black out also. Cut that. And 3 more to go. And then you got the second one. I think this is third one because I didn't got 2. And the last one, fourth one. Here we got. If you got everything, and you have to cut this now. After you got that. And cut this one. Almost done cutting off all of this in this white paper. And now finish all cutting in this white paper. Take a glue and apply it in this paper circle in black and stick it in this white rectangle. Like this. And color and stick more. And one more left. And this is one done. You have to apply this in the boat. And right here. Like this in the corner. Then after stick it right over here. Well, I forgot to apply glue. And put it over here. Make it upside down and stick this. Unless I apply it. And apply it in the bottom. And then after stick it over here. Then after stick this also here. And then after it make a boat. Bye bye.